My name is Javen Esch. I'm the owner of the Lancaster County Market. We started in 1997. We specialize in fresh squeezed juices. We bring homemade butters. We have an Amish roll butter, salted, unsalted. So real products only. We're using real lemon juice, real orange juice. We do a real grapefruit juice. So if you come in, you know you're getting a real product. You don't have to question it. We leave Lancaster at 4. We get here around 6. Most of our customers obviously don't see that part, but we make our juices fresh every morning. So we're starting at 6. We have about an hour and a half to 2 hours until the market opens. And so we push things like that, but also still have fun with your health benefits. You know, have lemonade every once in a while, but you know you're drinking a real lemonade without the preservatives. And we're really focusing on the health aspects, but still having fun with your health at the same time.